So they did it. The federal funds rate did get dropped 50 basis points today. And I just want to take a minute to really talk about what that means. So the federal fund rate influences the cost of borrowing money across the economy. So when the rate's low, borrowing is less expensive and people are more apt to go spend money and drive the economy. But when it's high, borrowing slows and then people tend to not spend as much. So that's what your federal rates cuts do right now. They use the federal fund rate to help manage inflation, but it's also indicative of our economic health at any certain point in time. So the federal funds rate actually has like a ripple effect on other interest rates. So like mortgages, car loans, bank loans, things like that. So as that rate changes, that other banks will then adjust their rate. So the federal funds rate is not your interest rate you're paying on your mortgage. So when you see a 50 basis point cut, it's not a 4.5% to 5% interest rate, okay? It just influences the rates that other lending institutions do charge. It doesn't match it. So the federal funds rate is a key tool that the Federal Reserve uses to regulate the supply of money and influence economic activity, especially regarding inflation, employment, and growth. So we talked about mortgage rates and everything like that. I'm excited it was a 50 basis point cut. That's what I was thinking it would be, just based on some economic analysis here and there. But also, they're stating there could be a possible another 50 basis point cut in the rest of the year. So I'm thinking maybe December, maybe November if we're lucky, but I'm thinking probably December. But you guys know that the 25 cut was made and we were already expecting that. So rates had already been dropping. The 50 cut was made instead. Rates may drop a little bit after that. Maybe. We'll see. We were kind of on the fence on whether it would be that or that. But then they just announced there could possibly be another 50 basis point cut by the end of the year. So that means we could still see a consistent decline towards that announcement as well. So keep your eyes peeled. If you're looking for a rate, a specific rate to get to refinance, let me know. I'll set an alert for you. I check rates every single day to see where my clients are and what would be the best time for them to refinance. You know what to do. Call me, text me, DM me. I would love to be able to help you out.